Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden.
Good morning. It's very sunny in here. We'll be cooking today, yes, but we'll do it indoors. Welcome to our cooking series, and we are at the garden today. We'll be cooking fresh vegetables. Stay with me.
As you might have guessed earlier, it's a simple stir fry of mustard leaves with eggs. You might be thinking the leaves are no longer tender, but no, it's not a problem. You'll just have to cook it a bit longer to make it softer.
This is a dish that requires the ingredients to be chopped, not longer than the length of a teaspoon. Now, ideally fine. The same size as you would slice the ampalaya when you cook this recipe.
And mentioning ampalaya, this recipe follows the same tradition of stir-frying ampalaya with egg. Same ingredients, same procedures. We just have to replace ampalaya with another vegetable. For this case, it's mustard leaves.
I hope you're still watching. If you prefer to watch the garden visit or garden tour, click below in the description box or in the I tab above.
You can find all the garden tours in my travel and tour channel, My Barrio, My Mundo. It's after all a tour of the garden of my barrio. Adding some extra to this recipe, pork tiempo or pork belly, and the rest of the ingredients, garlic and onion, the mustard leaves, oil for stir frying, salt, egg, soya sauce, and patis.
We just have to parboil our pork belly here until it renders fat. Of course, this is a little amount, so we will have to add oil. I should have used ground pork, or I should have finely chopped it. Ideally, but we are in Tatampa and it's this bara cooking. Bara cooking. We'll have to add the garlic and onion now. In Luzon, this recipe is very popular with ampalaya, but whatever you can do with ampalaya, which has strong flavor, sharp, even, you can also do with other vegetables which have sharp flavors. Chai, this mustard, mustasa, what else? Can you name other vegetables that have strong or sharp taste? You can do this. It's because the eggs chasten the sharp flavor a bit, and it adds, being yema, it adds cream. So cream always chastens sharp or bitter flavor. Diba? Milk added to coffee is perfect. Milk softens the bitterness of coffee. Same for ampalaya. The cream of the egg softens the bitterness of the vegetables. And of course, same here. This is good now. We can add the veggies now.
It may look too much, but this always the case for green leafy vegetables. Once they wilt, once they're cut, they shrink. And it will be reduced to just even, I think, 1/8 of the volume. While waiting for this to wilt completely, we'll beat the eggs. That was wrong. Oh, I'm hearing birds. If I only heard them when I was cooking, I should have postponed beating the eggs. See how much the volume has reduced? Let's add the salt now. And immediately followed by just a bit of soya sauce. Stir to incorporate the seasoning. I forgot to mention that we also need to add just a bit of sugar, not more than 1 teaspoon. And following the Tagalog tradition, patis. And while cooking outside, we also have this inside. I'll show you. I'm not enthusiastic about this. This is just adobo from mix. We can add the eggs now. The soya. Don't cook it until it is completely dry. It should be a bit wet. There should be a bit of sauce in it. Manang! Come on, Manang Grace, bring your fork. Quality.
Ay
Manang
na!
Grace, nakaramdam.
Ay na, ading ka na yung baga malam.
Diyos ko, mali mo na.
Aldaw!
May Manang Grace is here.
Na yung baga bigat. Adak man nandito yan. Nga mangraman luto ni Channel Juan.
Yes, very glorious in her attire today.
Ang mom na imas nga talaga dati nga luto.
Apuro manang-
Dati kahaan nga very unique. Ibaga ka unique. Nata tataak lang ang makaramantikas.
Yeah, I did not tell Manang Grace, but as I've told you earlier, ampalaya goes well with egg because the egg softens or chases the strong and bitter taste of ampalaya. So every vegetable with bitter taste, pichay and this one, mustard can be cooked with ampalaya. Oh, with egg. I learned that from my Chinese colleague. Raman.
Eto ha, basilang ti inala ko unta baka ibagayo man nga ibusik manon. Raman dato ilaang raman.
Nag-lipstick pa ni Manang Grace.
Siyempre tano napintasa mo at talaga nga enready nga talaga. Nyamot ni manang
Raman.
biday ko mang ramanti. Pasensya ata nagdakot subok.
Paspas.
Oh.
Nakaramang ka sa Manang. It's her first time to taste that. Well, this is never done in the Ilocos or in the Visayas. But this, I think the Kapampangans do this also. Learn from the Chinese. Special greetings, by the way, to Mami Choco of Barcelona, who did the same recipe on her balcony-grown pechay. Saludos, this is Yolanda, Mami Choco. And to all of you, thank you for watching us today here at the garden. And we hope to have you again next time here, or perhaps at the kitchen, or at our dirty kitchen. Your Kuya and Uncle here, join my Manang Grace, saying
Hello.
until next time, and
Until
Dios
next time.
ti
Diyos ti Agnina.
Manang Diyos Agbati. Diyos ti
Diyos
Agnina.
Agbati, Agnina.
Ulit. Diyos ti Agnina kan Diyos Agbati.
Diyos ti
Agnina
Agnina
kan
ken
Diyos
Agbati.
ti Agbati.
Yung basilang. Sobrang basilang yelo ng pagkakas. Is groente, is lekker. Zo. Lekker, is goed.
Ja.